Here are 3 simple steps to ensure you destroy your DJI Mavic drone and probably lose it. Let's get started. Number 1, this drone has a wonderful feature that amazes me and I enjoy using it. It has no inbuilt collision detection. So if you're flying towards an object or you're going to collide with something, left, right, back, front, this drone won't stop you. It will just allow you to go wherever you want to go. Make sure to make full potential use of this inbuilt feature. If you put it to use, you're going to ensure you can easily crash this thing because it won't stop you from flying. Number 2, when you're in tight spaces, make sure to not use the propeller guard. So the propeller guards are bulky, they weigh the drone down and it doesn't look sleek on. So make sure to pull it off and just fly around. Indoors, you're going to lose GPS connection, which means controlling the drone is going to be more difficult. Just fly. Who knows, you might crash into 1 or 2, and that can help you spoil this drone. The last but not least, the 3rd point is make sure to keep flying even if the battery says it's low. It's a prank. If the battery says it's low, make sure you put it on sports mode and keep flying as far as you can go. Who knows, you're going to lose it, and basically that's the goal. So these are my 3 simple steps to make sure you spoil this drone or lose it. And if you put it to use, it's going to help you a lot. And also shout outs to Side Hustle for supporting this video. You can learn more about Side Hustle in the link in the description below. Thank you for joining me in this one, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye.